Vitamin C drink. Oh, yes, I'd have a big nose. I have to drink sideways. Thank you very much. Okay. It's not. No one's Down syndrome.
Oh, thank you.
You are a very good investor. Keep it up, Taman. Doing a great job.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm serious. Okay, we're at Kyoto. So Osaka very soon.
Hey, chat, does my hair look good? I can't stop touching it because I'm insecure. Thanks, guys. CP coin for life. I mean, sex offenders. I mean, CX Avengers.
No, I'm touching it because I'm bored, not because I'm insecure. Okay, 27 minutes on the train to Osaka.
Don't throw.
27 minutes. I hate these seats, man. We're so squished in this fucking seat. It's so tiny. The jacket's getting hot too. Oh, I hope my luggage is still there. Not like rolled off the train or something. It's getting hot too. Hot in this train, bro. My jacket's making me too hot. I gotta take this off. Hold on. Yeah, not too bad. Looks like we'll get to Osaka right before the sun goes down too. That's nice.
Taming, do you have any money left from Hunger Games?
Any money left? Hunger Games?
Yes. But it's nothing. Just good experience for my life.
This is the Thunderbird number.
He has nothing left.
Very good lesson. Very good lesson.
Lessons are worth more than money, Taman. I agree. Life experience and all. I'm sure having that lesson is more valuable than having that money. Huh?
Everyone on this train tell me to be quiet, WTF. I have very expensive pants at home. Just ask my token Asian friend.
Which one? I got a lot of token Asian friends.
You should have brought a property, Taming.
You should have bought a house.
About what?
You should have buy a house.
Hey, Taming, how much SOJU did your MOM drink when she was pregnant with you?
Nobody's safe from the tormenting TTS, no matter who you are. They go after everyone eventually. Huh?
The only fucking thing that in one was an extra chromosome you do on Cinder Vulcanus.
Fuck you, bro. Don't attack me, bro. If you attack me, I attack you. If you respect me, I respect you.
Respect is everything. It's on my leg. Get with the times.
Okay.
Down syndrome streamer versus Down syndrome chat.
This
I don't know what you're even saying, buddy.
You Tamine. That's why you have Down syndrome. Down syndrome, Tamine.
Okay, it's okay.
Huh?
Anne-Marie Silky Jedi. America Jin to Asande Irunara. Kata wo Mitsu tataki nasai. Anne-Marie Silky Jedi. America Jin to Asande.
Okay, dude. No one can hear you, bro. The TTS volume's at like 5%. Huh? Feel it's bad because we not in the middle of nowhere now. And it ain't that cold here.
Oh, line is so long.
Only weirdos watch you sleep. I mean, shit. No, there was like a little Pokemon. There's a little Pokemon game. You can play with chat. You know, it's not that weird. Yeah, the line's long. I mean, it's a big station, so it makes sense. A lot of taxis here too. Big city, bro. Second biggest city in Japan.
Can I enter hotel without passport?
Oh yeah. No. They're not gonna let you in the room without a passport. Although they let you in yesterday. Let me get the room first, and then come in after.
Very good plan.
But you need to go to the embassy and get a new passport.
Today or tomorrow?
Probably tomorrow.
Yeah,
when they open.
Late.
So, cause you're gonna get in trouble without a passport, dude. Eventually.
Okay.
And like hotels and shit, and they're not gonna let you in and stuff. I think the embassy is closed. I don't think you can go right now. Huh?
1 second. どこ?
Oh.
クロスホテル?
Hi.
Huh?
That should tell you something. It's just a bad omen. I'm just gonna leave the TTS muted for a while. Being fucking stupid motherfucking ass shit. I don't even know what shit's saying, but I know shit's saying some crazy stuff.
Yeah, well, someone might come up behind you with a scooter or something, you know what I mean? It's like, it's not a battle that you want to fight, bro, especially...
Oh, there is a cop right here.
We should ask them about the law of the situation.
I mean, it's totally legal to be here.
Right?
100%. This is a public street.
Yeah.
Oh, what is this coming? That's not bad.
Run.
I see that. Sam's just standing back there.
Let's go. What is coming?
I mean, there's nothing illegal about this. Head down the dark alley. I'm already out of breath.